Now that we have some documents within our index, let's take a look at how we can update them. Suppose that a product has been sold and we therefore need to decrease the in-stock field by 1. We can do that by sending a post request to the update API, following the document's ID. Let me just type that out. So post products underscore update and 100 being the ID. Within the request body, we should add a doc object consisting of key value pairs. So doc, and this should be an object, like so. The keys are the field names and the values are the new field values. Let's set the in stock field to 3, where it used to be 4. So in stock and 3. And let's go ahead and run this query. The document has now been updated, which we can tell because the result key has a value of updated. This key might also have a value of no up if the update did not result in a change, i.e. if we supplied the same value as the document currently contained for the field. Let's retrieve it to confirm that the in-stock field now has a value of 3. So get products underscore doc and 100. Indeed, the field value has been updated as we expected. Apart from updating existing fields, we can also add new fields to existing documents. We do that in exactly the same way, so let's make a copy of the query we just wrote and define a new field. So I'll copy this and paste it in down here and get rid of this. The new field will be a tags field containing an array of string values. So tags and an array as the value. I'll just add, let's say, electronics. Note that I could just have added the tags key to the first query. Any field that does not exist already is added, so the result would be the same. Alright, so let's run this query. Let's quickly verify that the document now contains a field named tags. So we'll retrieve it again. Indeed, we now see the tags field within the underscore source key. That's how easy it is to update Elasticsearch documents. Before ending this lecture, I want to take a short moment to talk about how this works internally. It might surprise you that Elasticsearch documents are immutable. What this means is that documents cannot be changed. But didn't we just change an existing document? Actually, we didn't. We replaced it. The update API just took care of a couple of things for us. Specifically, it retrieved the document, changed its fields according to our specification, and reindexed the document with the same ID, effectively replacing it. So to be clear, the existing document was not updated with any new fields or values, it was replaced entirely. It just appeared as if the document was updated. We could have done the exact same thing by first retrieving the existing document, then modify its fields, and then finally replace the document that we retrieved in the first place. What the update API does is just save us some work. On top of that, it's also more efficient, because it limits the number of network round trips that are required. Everything happens with a single request within the shard on which the document is stored. If we were to do this ourselves, we would need to send 2 requests instead of 1, and thereby incur some additional network latency and overhead. That was just a bit of background knowledge for you.